Ka Department of Political Science jong ka Synod College ka badai ka way na ki college ka balapaw nam ha jala mekhalia bat ha ka rihi barok ka way menta ka singi ka neutrik ubanai nailar arja opsan kala pynlong ya ka jingalang pili ya ka national seminar kum shibanta ya ka jingrakhe jong ka college ya ka Diamond Jubilee ya ka nega jingalang la penyai do Dr. M Rani Vice Principal bala yoru ya ka jingkran pediang nai Dr. G Lengdo Principal jong ka college kapang pedeng jong ka nega jingalang kalong halor ka media and democracy perspective and challenges in Northeast India. Layo ya ka jingkran maj pangnaw Professor MP Lama Naga School of International Studies jong ka Jawaharlal Nehru University Delhi bat uba syembor lang renja ubalong UCEM ka KHADC bat ubalong ru ukum ukongsan ha ka ni ka jingalang. Ha ka jingkran halor ka pang uba syembor lang ulapan kenmau ya ki kentin riustat kiba ong ba ubri uba sinsyar ya kilat patay kubor usin syari ka pertay hinray menta I kumba ngim ha kapor baki brio ki basin syari ka perthai kisin syari ka lat pathai kubor ulaong baki lat pathai kubor ki penwandur ya ka jing e bat ya ka jinglong jong ubrio ha ka ri sin syar pa ba ha ka ni ka juk jong ki podcast ki YouTube channel kai ka basa klem kala ka dai ka bor jong ki kentin namar ka tangi dai banlong ki badon ki jing shisha bat ki bakit kli kumnong I pendon kam nya kini kirinsan kilat pathai kubor kila dai lupa ki batrai na kabanta ka jing shisha hindrai ka jing yele kalong ban pentikna bakilat pathai kubor ki dai ban penklan ya ka jing sinsyar paj ba da ka ba penne ya ka jing shisha bat ban pendon kam hok ya ka bor ulaong
Principal PG Bingo, esteemed faculty members, distinguished participants, scholars, students, friends, ladies and gentlemen. A step of commending Bala, good morning to you all. At the very outset, I must share that I was requested at the 11th hour to step in as the chief guest in place of Shri Adel China, MLA from Nongran constituency, and he is also the president of the Voice of the People Party, who will not make it due to his health condition. However, I have no hesitation in saying yes. Coming to Synod College is never a task. It is a returning home. This is my alma mater. I passed my BA from this very institution, from the very Department of Political Science that is hosting this important seminar today. Some of my teachers are since retired, but I am heartened to see that quite a few are still starting, sharing, shaping young minds as they have once shaped mine. Standing here today among academic stalwarts like Professor jingrakhe Lama, and in the presence of such distinguished scholars and participants, I am reminded of the biblical story of Daniel. Not Daniel in the lion's den, but rather I feel like a lion in the den of Daniel. Humbling to say this. The theme of the seminar, media and democracy, perspectives and challenges in Northeast India, is both timely and important. It has often been said that he who controls the media controls the world. But today, it seems we are living in a time where those who control the world now control the media. That's a dangerous shift. Why? Because media is not just a passive matter. It shapes opinion, behavior, even democracy itself. For us in the Northeast, this issue carries unique significance. Our region, rich in diversity, but often distinct from the so-called national center. But this has been underrepresented or worse, misrepresented in dominant media resources. This lack of authentic representation risks widening social and political misunderstanding. However, it is also important to remind ourselves that we, the Khasi people, had our own form of folk media long before the arrival of modern platforms. We had a system of kurwa made of bamboo used to send political news across villages. We had the Samad, the local announcer, who informed people of both social and political events. We had the non-clear, the trusted messengers who conveyed invitations and messages on behalf of the community. And central to all of these was our deep cultural belief in the idea that the word spoken truthfully is sacred and binding. A person's word was their honor. Kapha Kashiti. Truth is the simple word. Today, in the age of podcasts, YouTube channels, and viral posts, words are returned, but in different forms. What remains unchanged is the power of those words. And so we must be factual, truthful, and responsible in how we use the platforms. After all, we come from a tradition that holds the spoken words aside. Media is the ultimate tool. It can inform or misinform, unite or divide, empower or manipulate. The choice is ours. The challenge is to ensure that media strengthens democracy by promoting truth, enabling dialogue, and holding power accountable. I am confident that over the course of this 2-day seminar, the discussion will not only explore the challenges, but also offer a vision for how we, especially in the Northeast, can build a media culture that is ethical, inclusive, and evolving. To conclude, I wish to express my deep appreciation to Eliza, the Department of Social Science, and ITPC of Synod College for this initiative and for the honor of allowing me to speak today.